In this video, I will show you how you can install apps without Apple ID on any iPhone. Now, if you're trying to install an app on your iPhone, but as you try to install the app, it asks you to enter the password of your Apple ID. Now, to install the app without the Apple ID, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Screen Time, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now just enable this toggle, and after you enable Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now under Require Passcode, just select Do Not Require. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here just tap on Face ID and Passcode. Now just enter your lock screen passcode. Now if the toggle for iTunes and App Store is enabled, just disable it. And after you disable iTunes and App Store, then just go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on the name of your Apple ID. From here, just tap on Media and Purchases and select Password Settings. Now under the free download section, just disable the toggle for Require Password. Now after you disable this toggle, then tap on Done. Now if you go to your home screen and if you try to install an app from the App Store, it will not ask you to enter the password of the Apple ID. Just like that. And this is how you can install apps without the Apple ID on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.